How to activate Capital One Bank credit card without calling. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down capitalone.com and hit enter and navigate to the Capital's official website. Now here scroll down and there you can see activate your card option available there. Simply tap on the activate your card and navigate to the another page where you will be asked to sign in to your Capital One account. So simply choose one according to your preferences. If you already have an account, tap on the sign in and active, and if you do not have an account, tap on the enroll and active. Now here all you have to do is provide the information and tap on the get started button available there. Make sure you fill out the real information. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.